Hello, kids! Welcome to Bunny Talk Toys. Let's play and learn. This is a ball. Ball. Bounce, bounce. This is a toy car. Toy car. Vroom. This is a teddy bear. Teddy bear. Hug, hug. This is a doll. Doll. Hello. These are blocks. Blocks. Build. This is a toy train. Toy train, choo-choo. This is a puzzle. Puzzle, mazzle, match. This is a robot. Robot, beep, boop. Boop. This is a yo-yo. Yo-yo, up, down. This is a kite. Kite, fly. Great job! You learned fun toys. See you next time. Bye-bye.